Hey guys, so this video we're going to be showing off how we made custom orange and teal crystals with the actual RFID tag inside. So let me show you what it looks like in the actual hilt. So this is the orange crystal that we made. It's kind of hard to see. When we turn off the lights it looks like it's a red crystal, just like that, but it is the orange hilt effect, and then it's just a normal yellow lightsaber as I showed off in past video. So this is the teal crystal that we did, which looks a lot better than the orange crystal inside the hilt, because you can see it matches the color a lot better, and when we turn off the lights you can totally tell that it's teal instead of the other one that looks more reddish. And then of course, just like we showed in the past video, it's just normal blue. As for the orange crystal, it actually took us quite a while to get the correct color of orange. Our first attempt looks more like a gold yellowish, and then our second attempt looks way more yellow than it does orange. And we eventually got our mix with the orange looking one. And with all the extra resin we had, we actually made quite a few extra spiros here. So as you can see, this was our first attempt at orange, and then it was more like a lighter one, and then we finally came to that one. And these are our teal attempts as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.